You know.
Hey Guru Nation, welcome back to the clinicaltrialsguru.com. Again, it's the clinicaltrialsguru.com. So today I'm interviewing a research site owner. Okay, I happen to be his consultant. Myself and Chris, you see him in the videos as well. So we've been consulting with him for about 6 months. So it's a fair time point to sort of step back and analyze the business, right? Because a lot of people out there are watching, they want to start their own sites. Some have unrealistic expectations, some are very pessimistic and fearful and don't want to start. So take us through the journey. First of all, why did you want to start a research clinic in the first place? And then feel free to introduce yourself to the
Hi,
people watching.
Farid Bhutto, and I'm from Louisville, Kentucky. And we are in healthcare business, especially myself. I'm in healthcare business for the last 15 years. I have home health agency, hospice, and physical therapy. After having those three businesses, I had in my mind that sometime I should start or I will start clinical trials. So I was surfing and looking around, and then luckily through Google I found Clinical Trial Guru's videos, and honestly speaking, I claim, if not all, most of them, more than 150 those clips I have
Wow.
seen. And then I decided, why not I call Dan and see if he can help me. Then I started talking to him, and he offered me, Farid, if you are willing, we can be your consultants. And then I talked to my partner, Dr. Paridi. He's also a practicing physician and a good businessman. He said, that's fine, Farid, if you are satisfied, go ahead. But he told me, initially try 3 to 6 months and let's see how it works. And I'm satisfied, I should say more than 100%. They provide excellent services. That's why today I'm here. And they offered me that, Farid, maybe you only need our services for 6 months. Once you have 3 to 4 studies and you are going through the process, then you don't need our consultative services. But honestly speaking, I have decided I will keep their services, and we will continue working with them maybe over the period of years. I have 3 years.
Thank you. Yeah, we did not pay him to say that, Guru Nation. Now, so what you're 6 months into it, right? How quickly, what were you prepared to go? How long were you prepared to go without seeing revenue? Because a lot of people are interested. And then what have been the results so far? 6 months into it.
Yeah, initial 2 months, it takes you to complete the infrastructure. Dan sent me a list of equipment, and those, I'm really glad he sent me the links, from where to buy what. And I purchased all those things. It takes little time, and prepared my manuals and SOPs. I knew nothing, so it takes you some time. But then, they provide the services, they apply for you to get the studies, and honestly speaking, within first 3 months, I got a first call that someone wants to visit our site, PSV.
Site selection visit, yeah. Pre-study selection visit.
Pre-study selection visit.
So prepare yourself at least 3 months. Yes, you can get a site selection visit your first month, but that's if you get lucky. It's not the norm. You gotta wait at least 3 months. We tell everybody this when they're starting a new site, right? And location also is important, right?
Oh, yeah.
The competition is also important.
Area, location, luckily we are in Midwest where there is no much competition. And after getting that call, me and my study coordinator, Keisha, she was a little nervous how we will handle that. And again, thank you to Dan. He provided us 1 hour conference call, video conference call, and he, prepared us what type of questions they would ask and how much we are ready to answer those questions. And after that visit, we passed that visit, we got that study, and so far we have 5 studies in 6 months.
There you go. 6-month mark, 5 studies, soon to be profitable, right?
I hope so.
Yeah. So that
And
would be
I'm sorry, Dad. You asked me the first check, cash for
Yeah.
2 studies. Already I got the startup fee.
startup fee. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So in 4 months, I got for 2 studies the startup fee.
Good. Good. So this is just gives you a proxy for those of you out there who are in the same situation. Don't be unrealistic. There was a guy I was talking to that was expecting to make $1 million his first year. This is crazy. Okay, you go play the lotto if that's what you want to do, right? I mean, you gotta be realistic.
Oh yeah, you got to be more than realistic. This is healthcare business, and I believe that healthcare and financial institutions are mostly heavily regulated.
Mhm.
You cannot play around and have those unrealistic expectations.
But
you
the
need
long
to
term-
have patience.
Long term, it's one of the best businesses to be in.
Depending, how much hard work you do, how much
Mhm.
community say you have, how much physicians are cooperating with you. You can bring them on board.
Right.
Work with you as PR.
Correct. Thank you, Fareed. And thank you, Rosario, for filming this, and thank you, Guru Nation, for watching theclinicaltrialsguru.com. Take care.
Thank you.